Since we have a major event in Basra, I decided to give you a short essay on this beautiful city in the south. It is considered one of the major cities in the country. It is considered Iraq's major port. It has Iraq's major port to the sea. It has a long and rich history that dates back to Mesopotamia. It was found in the 3rd century, and it was a major trading and cultural hub in the region. And it was a major center for learning and scholarships, and it was famous for its gardens and palaces. Throughout its history, Basra has been conquered and invaded by many empires, including the Sassanids, the Abbasids, and the Ottomans. And it also was a major center for the revolt against the Ottoman Empire during the First World War. And from that point, we know the word Timman, because the Iraqi farmers refused to sell rice to the invading army. During the 20th century, Basra became the hub for oil industry in the region. It has the main oil refinery in the country, and it's the port where Iraq sends most of its oil to the world. The city is also a hub for markets and trading and businesses for all people who come to the city seeking for job opportunities in the field of oil. Recently, Basra became famous for Khaliji 25. However, the city has also witnessed significant conflict, especially during the invasion of the American army to Iraq, where it witnessed major and fierce fight between Iraqi army and coalition forces that invaded the city. Despite these challenges, Basra is a dynamic and vibrant city with a rich cultural heritage. It is home for a number of historical landmarks, including the Great Mosque of Basra, which dates back to the 8th century, and the Museum of Basra, which houses some of the major artifacts from the region. The city is also known for its lively music and art scenes, and it's home for a number of cultural and national festivals and events throughout the year. The current status of Basra is of both promise and challenges. While it faces huge challenges in terms of services and instability, also a vital economic and cultural hub in the region. And it has a rich and vibrant culture that represents Iraq overall. Thank you very much.